Yo, 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 what's good? If you don't know, I'm Skxppy, and welcome back to another video. Word. So, today, I'm gonna show you how to make an emotional trap beat from scratch. You feel me? Something on a, sad Polo G, Juice World, xxxtentacion, trippie red type vibe. So, let's get to it.
Take forever.
So, sorry I didn't get to our video last week. I messed up my camera, accidentally dropped some water on it, and then I threw it in some rice, and then I tried to get the rice out the SD card. $206 later, here we are. Word. Today we gonna do an emotional trap beat from scratch. You probably think I'm gonna show you how to make melodies and all of that. No. I'm gonna show you the dynamics that you need to make a vibey, sad, emotional hip-hop trap beat. Word. That's the title. So let me open up my beat making template. It's been a minute. Yes, but we here, we consistent. So the first thing I like to do is obviously make a melody, and I have my favorite plugin Nexus here with me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take Nexus, I'm gonna find like a little piano, whatever. We gonna make some sad melodies first. So if you know, you can make sad chords with minor chords. So I'm gonna find, boom. So I'm gonna use that chord right there. Alright, cool. So I got the first thing down. I don't like the sound too much. I'm gonna do something with that sound a little later. But what I have is a simple chord that kind of goes on like a kick pattern, but it's real simple. It's a C# minor chord, and it is fire. So I'm gonna play it for you real quick, and this is what it sound like. Alright, that's what it sounded like. Now I think I'm gonna take a little bit of it away, or like throw some reverb. There we go. I like it sounding like that. Alright, ooh, Picasso. I like it. Cool. So now that we have the main chords down, what I'm actually gonna do now is actually reinforce that with another instrument. So I'm gonna put it in the 10. I'm gonna unmute it, and then I'm gonna pick a new instrument. And I kind of want something that's like piano, but I don't want it to be like too present. I don't want it to seem like that's the main, you know what I'm saying? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bell, and I'm going to make it more emotional by adding like a slow bell. So the reason why I'm putting a bell is because before I told you, I'm going to show you the dynamics of emotional beats. So you always need a very heavy, like emotional instrument in there. The pad was supposed to be the very emotional instrument, but since it's kind of a little bit more upbeat, I don't know, I feel like my emotional trap beats is always upbeat, but it's a little bit more upbeat because it's gonna be a trap beat. Oh, I'm tired. Now I gotta reinforce it with a bell. Ooh, I was feeling that 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%. What's 100% of 100%? 100%.
100% of 100%. Yeah.
Cool. So basically all I did was put in bells to reinforce the emotion. I feel like the main chord was like the energy of it, and then the bells was kind of like the light, sad, melancholic feel. Now I'm gonna throw in another instrument just to kind of give us like something sad but bouncy, so something slow and bouncy, or it could be something more drawn on depending on the instrument. So like, say if I use a cello, so like, you know, that's how a cello sounds. Let me raise up the cello first, cause that shit was low, 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 low. I guess I could do that. It's kind of chill. So I'm gonna do something drawn out. Here's how it sounds. Rigmarole. That's my favorite word in the world. Rigmarole. Trying to hit me with the old rigmarole. Hold on, what did I just do? Okay. That was valid. I think I got carried away. Actually, no, I didn't. So I did something more long and drawn out just because I felt like it's very upbeat, and plus I'm gonna throw in some drums that's gonna be taken into a different level too. But this is the emotional like melodies and stuff. So now I'm about to get into the drums. So let's go to track 1. No, that's track 3.
Skxppy.
Alright, if you like, leave a like, and if you don't, leave a comment down below to let me know how to grow, you feel me? Shit, I made this video just because I wanted y'all to see like how I make my emotional trap beats. I keep them upbeat, because you can't be sad all the time, you know what I'm saying? But I feel like when I listen to Juice WRLD music, the beats be so like uplifting and energetic, but like it's just the way he sing on it just make it sad. So I'm always thinking about end production. But I hope y'all could take this. Don't use whatever you learned in this video, even if you didn't learn nothing. Just copy the chord or the melody and just take it for your own. You feel me? Word. Remember, the music producer world is bigger than you think. Keep exploring your bounds and finding new grounds. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. Peace. Oh, what's up? I got a new chair.